Hi everybody, welcome to my daughter's channel. Today we're going to try to make some glitter hearts with just glitter glue and your silicone mold. I don't know how well it's going to work because it's not really a lot of glue.
Okay, so all you do on this is you put the glue into the molds.
Yeah.
You can fill it up however much you want. We just want to show you how it's done and try to get it even.
And then all you have to do is take it and do just like you would kind of a cake. When you got it in the pan, you take it and shake it down so it could be even out some. Open that, Brandy.
By the way, the channel is Southern Crafts DIY.
Oh yeah, Southern Crafts DIY. I don't know why she couldn't tell you that.
Also, if you follow me on social media, which the links are down below, seeing how we're doing this different, you'll have seen everything needed for today's project, and you can also get that list on the community tab.
And this is just going to make you some decor you can put around in your house.
I think this is some more red.
I don't think that is.
I don't know. This is liquid.
How about 4 reds? How about that? Because this ain't a lot. And I'm just trying to make them. They're not going to be as thick as the things because I don't think we have enough. And we wanted to make a few.
So this is a really simple project, y'all. I mean, it's, like I said, after this, you just gotta wait for it to dry. Let me get the pink open.
Yeah, it'd probably take a while because it's going to be thick glue. So,
you might be able to do the whole row of each, maybe. Let's see what happens.
I don't think so.
At least of the red.
That's why I was thinking 4. You got to check and make sure you're getting all the edges.
I just really thought this would be a really cool decorative idea. Last year I did soaps and candles. Yeah. Even though the candles didn't have wicks, it was just a decorative piece. But I thought this would be really cool just to put out also for decoration purposes.
You don't have to make them where you can use them. You can just make them for decorations.
And on that one, I actually swirled red food coloring in with my wax, just to give it some color, and it came out looking pretty cool. So I'll link the video to this down below on this so that y'all can watch that one too.
Got my finger in it.
She's gonna be pink, y'all.
Not really. It was clear looking.
It had plenty of glitter. I saw it. See, look.
Yeah, it was clear looking on my finger. I think we're going to get 4 of this. Yeah, that might work. I don't think I'll do any more than 4 because there's really not enough pink. Not that it matters.
Now she's catching on, y'all.
I was caught on from the beginning. I thought I'd make the same amount of each though. Don't ask me why. I gotta have even, not odd.
Alright, so for this one, we're gonna let it sit overnight, 24 hours, so around 5 o'clock my time tomorrow afternoon. We will see if this is dry enough to take out, and we'll show you it.
And I ain't guarantee you it's gonna come out perfect because...
Did you see my soap last year?
You gotta...
It didn't come out perfect. It looked rustic.
Yeah, this one don't seem to be shaken down as good as this one did.
Well, this one, no, this was Dollar Tree too. Well, I don't know.
All
right, well, we'll see y'all in a day. The glue has dried, and it took longer than 24 hours. It actually took a couple days, which I was a little bit shocked about. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out, maybe, just to show y'all. Apparently, she didn't put as much glue in there as she thought she did, because these, I would recommend putting more than this. But these would still work. I think I broke that one a little bit. It'll still work for decorations. Just try to be more careful than I am, apparently. But yeah, it looked like she put way more glue in there than this, but oh no, that one broke. Yeah, I don't like the pink one. Look at that. It's breaking. Well, I got one out at least. This was something I've never done before, but it would still make really good decorations. I really wanted to fill it completely up, but she didn't feel there was enough glue to that. So I might do one just to show y'all what that looks like. So hold on a second. All right, so I was gonna show y'all how to do it with more, but my mom believes that wouldn't work, that it'd make the glue evaporate. So if you want to do something like this and glue it onto something, it'd work out really well. But you know what? I've never done this before. I consider it a flop because I just wanted it for decorations, but it could be worse. At least something came out. All right.
Here's another simple project. We're going to take these hearts that she bought at Dollar Tree, and last year ribbon she bought at Dollar Tree, and we're going to make a banner, and we're going to use hot glue, cordless, and if we run out, we got hot glue plug-in.
We run out of power. All right, so let's get to it. Okay, so you won't be able to see all of what I'm doing, but we're going to be taking this and making it longer than what we need it to be, so that we can do the banner, because we want a little space in between, and then we want to be able to hang it. So now is going to come the part where she glues it together. Alright, so just to let y'all know, as you can see, the heart, this side is higher up than this side, and it doesn't matter. So this side is going to have the ribbon further down than this will, just so it sits right. Because we want to do it straight on.
And the way to find your center to put that big heart is just double it over.
Don't go too high up, you're already in it.
After you cut it, you double it. So we're going to do like this. And
Let me get it in the camera. I'm sorry, y'all. My finger's in there now.
And I know I'm going to
Alright.
center it, something like that. And I'm going to put some glue here.
I'm working on it. Alright, and then we're going to go on this side. I'm going to help her real quick. She's having problems. Am I getting it on there? Yes. And we're going to put glue there. And hold it down.
That's
So
your
it dries.
middle one.
That's going to be the focal point, I guess they say it. I guess they call it. I'm not sure. So.
Oh, great. Don't stick to it.
I always get it stuck to the stuff, so.
So then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to take the medium sized one, and I kind of want
Give it a little.
to go over a little.
Could we do XOXO in between them, you think?
No.
Nope. Okay, just thought I'd ask. I thought that'd been cool.
So I want to make sure it's going to be able to go on both of them.
And then you just, like you see us doing, you just glue it down. And after doing this, if you find out it's not stuck as much as you want, you can add glue to the back. You know. You get what I'm saying, I think?
Then I'm going to come over here and I want to do it like this. And sorry y'all, but I get cramps in my hand. That's what happens when you get old.
And just to let you know, I bought the stuff, but she came up with this idea, so yay! Come this way.
Go to the medium one again. Find my position for it.
And does not take long to do these kind of projects, but they come out looking so good. And something really great to decorate your house with for the holidays.
If you got a fireplace, you can string it across your fireplace.
Yep, or just
If you
hang it on the
don't,
wall.
You can find a place on your wall and hang it.
I would
You
not
could
recommend.
even hang it
Excuse
on
me.
your door.
I would not recommend doing this outside because it is just like cardboard kind of stuff.
If you have an entryway or porch that stays dry, you could do it.
And no humidity or anything. But if you're just outside.
Yeah, this ain't so great in the south. Hot glue.
Well, I was talking about the stuff too.
It'll.
You got that up a little bit high, but it's fine. All right.
And then
So literally, that is it. Hold on, we're gonna hold it up and I'll show you. I'm gonna go back. Look how great that looks. And it's a simple project that can easily be done by anyone, even kids.
You can tie a knot on the end to hang on something, or you can hot glue a loop.
Yep. Doesn't matter how you do it. We're just going to leave it like this because we're going to let the person who gets it decide how they want to do it. That's simple. Alright, y'all, that's it for today's project. And I had a lot of fun making them, even though the glitter glue did not come out the way I thought it would. But, you know, them are the breaks. Sometimes you do something and it just flops completely, like I said. So, if you like this video, which, like I said, I did, regardless of how stuff came out, please, please, please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below because it does help my channel to grow. And it lets me know that you're enjoying these videos. Alright, I'll see y'all Friday. Bye!